Hello all, welcome to Ferdinand tutorials today. Now in today's video, I want to talk about what you need to know about becoming a biochemistry major. In the past couple of days and months, series of students have been coming to my DM to ask me about biochemistry, what it's all about, and how should they focus, and in what area of biochemistry that suggests them to focus. So I answered some questions and I think it wasn't clear for them or to them. So today I want to make this video what you need to know about becoming a biochemistry major, because there is difference between just becoming a biochemistry student, just normal student, and a biochemistry major. So I want to give you what you need to know. Now, biochemistry major combines elements of biology and chemistry to thoroughly understand living things. Studying biochemistry is a way for students to build an interdisciplinary knowledge in the sciences. A Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry can lead to jobs in research, medicine, biotechnology, and more of them. Now, what is the biochemistry major? If someone can ask you, what is a biochemistry major? What will your response be? I will respond that a biochemistry major studies biology, which is the study of living organisms, and chemistry, which is the study of matter. There are two courses here, biology and what? Chemistry. Biology, study of living organism, and chemistry, which is the study of matter, their properties and how they interact. Now, in summary, we can say that biochemistry major studies the chemistry of living things. Biochemistry is a rigorous field of study involving foundational and if this major is the right fit for me. Is it because my friend wants to be a biochemistry major, so since we are friends for life, let me go into biochemistry major, or since we are best friends forever, let me go into biochemistry major? So how do I truly know that this major is the right fit for me? Those considering a biochemistry major should have curious minds and be interested in studying life and chemical processes. They should also enjoy problem solving and the research process. Biochemistry major can expect to take lab classes where they work with partners and in groups. So collaboration is important in this major. Being detail-oriented doesn't hurt either, especially in lab environments where great care needs to be taken in conducting experiments and noting observations. Now, what can I do with a biochemistry major? Is it after I've gotten this the knowledge of a biochemistry major, or after I've graduated from being a biochemistry major, I will rest, I will sit at home, I will be playing video games, or I'll be all this and that? So what can I do with a biochemistry major? Many biochemistry major use their degrees as preparation for medical school. The major provides a good primer for the medical college. Admission test or dental admission test. The entrance exam for medical or dental school respectively. Increasingly, scientists are called to work that requires an integrative and expansive knowledge rather than just an expertise in one area of the sciences. Some biochemistry graduates enroll in pharmacy school, while others might enter a graduate program in epidemiology. Others go to graduate school in biochemistry to become biochemists or in academia as research or professors. Those who want to immediately enter the job market can work as chemical technicians, working in the laboratories of chemical or pharmaceutical manufacturers. So look at yourself. Do you also think you can be a biochemistry major? It doesn't take much. What it needs is seriousness and consistency in what you do. So try to focus on it, and sure, it will yield results, and you see yourself graduating, being a biochemistry major. It doesn't hurt. So that is it. I hope this video affects you, especially my undergraduates, those in year 1, first year of the education system, those are in the second year who are not yet informed about this course. So I hope this affects you positively, and I hope this grinds you up for the better tomorrow. So thank you for this video. Thank you for coming here. See you again next Thursday. Bye for now.